today I wanted to share a little bit about some of the aesthetic treatments I've done. I think it's always nice as a patient to know that the provider treating you, to know what they've done and see how that can kind of relate for you and in the treatments you're getting. So I actually am starting to age in my lower face. So some of the signs of aging appearing there. So I have had chin filler done. I've also had Botox to my chin just to relax it and bring it forward and actually alleviate some of the heaviness in my lower face. I've also had Botox to my masseters, allowing for some facial slimming because I have a very strong jawline, which can be perceived as masculine and something that I just don't like. I've also been using neurotoxins since I was about 27. And believe it or not, I'm going to be 32. So I've been using that for quite some time and have seen amazing benefits from it, as I don't have any static lines to my forehead or my crow's feet. I've also done lip filler. I like to share that with people because I don't have a big lip. I just have kind of enough to be able to use lipstick and have fun with it, which is exactly what I wanted. I think a lot of patients come in for lip filler and not everyone wants a big lip, so they get kind of intimidated and scared and not knowing what to expect, and well, this is what you can get. One of my favorite treatments to do here at Juvly is cool sculpting. I've actually been doing the treatment for about a little over 2 years, ever since it kind of came to the Midwest, specifically Ohio. I think it's very important to pick your patients based on in-person assessments, and it can be really life-changing. It's a lot of fun. One of my favorite areas that I've treated, and I've treated quite a few, is just that little bra fat area between your underarm and your chest. This bugged me my entire life, and I was able to treat that with the Cool Mini and had it done in time to get my results in before my wedding, which I wore a sweetheart dress, and it was just life-changing, and I love to give that back to other people. A commonly asked question we get here at Juvly is, if and when I need a touch-up after my Botox or Dysport treatment, when should I come in? The answer is about 10 to 14 days after your initial treatment. And the reason is that's how long it takes for the neurotoxin to go ahead and do all the work that it's going to do. So I often have patients that will contact me just about anything in their forehead that maybe they don't like, and I'll say, let's give it, another couple of days and see if it goes away. Sure enough, more often than not, I'll get a follow-up email stating that the problem did resolve itself. So that's why we wait this 10 to 14 days before any touch-ups after a neurotoxin here at Juvly. A very popular treatment we do here at Juvly is facial slimming. People often want to know what that entails. It can entail a couple different modalities or treatments, but one of the most popular ones we do is just simply slimming or decreasing the size of the masseter. The masseter is one of 6 muscles you have in your face that help you with chewing. However, since it's one of 6, decreasing the size of this masseter is not going to affect the way you use your jaw, affect the way you chew, eat, or talk. I actually have this treatment and I am talking to you just fine right now. It does require about anywhere from 20 to 30 units of Dysport or Botox to each masseter. Once we inject the area, it takes a good 7 to 10 days, if not more, for that muscle to shrink, just because it is so large. We do this treatment about twice a year because, again, the masseter is such a large muscle. Once it atrophies, it takes quite a bit of time to basically rebuild and form the size again that was causing the masculine looking or rounded jawline.